Aloha and welcome to KTA's Quick and Ono Recipes. I'm Chef Alyssa Moreau, and today we're going to make banana cream pie. Prepare the pudding according to package directions, adding 1 teaspoon of cornstarch to the dry mix before cooking for a slighter, thicker texture. Let cool. Bake the pie crust according to package instructions and allow to cool completely. Whip the cream with powdered sugar and vanilla extract until soft peaks form. To assemble, line the bottom of the cooled pie crust with sliced apple bananas. Pour the pudding over the bananas, adding more banana slices if desired. Top generously with whipped cream and additional banana slices. Cover if not serving right away to prevent the bananas from browning. For this recipe and more, please visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.